How to use OP Auto Clicker in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how you can set up OP Auto Clicker fast and start using it right away even if you've never used an auto clicker before. First, make sure OP Auto Clicker is already installed on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see a small control window. This is where all the settings are. The most important setting is the click interval. This controls how fast the clicks happen. You can choose seconds, milliseconds, or minutes. For example, if you want one click every second, set it to 1 second. If you want very fast clicking, lower the number. Next, choose the click type. Most people leave it on left click, but you can also pick right click or middle click if you need that for a game or program. After that, choose how the clicks will repeat. You can set it to click forever until you stop it, or set a specific number of clicks like 100 or 500. If you're not sure, start with unlimited so you can stop it yourself when you're done. Now set the click position. You have two main options. One is to let it click wherever your mouse is. The other is to lock it to a specific spot on the screen. If you want it to always click the same button, move your mouse over that button and use the hotkey to save that position. If you want more control, just use the option that follows your mouse. After that, set your start and stop key. This is very important. Look for the hotkey option and choose a key on your keyboard like F6 or F8. This key will turn the auto clicker on and off. Pick a key you won't press by accident. Once that's done, your setup is basically finished. From now on, whenever you need automatic clicking, just move your mouse where you want it to click, press your hotkey, and OP Auto Clicker will do the rest. Press the same key again when you want it to stop. That's all you need. OP Auto Clicker is simple once you know where everything is. You set the speed, choose the click type, decide where it clicks, assign a hotkey, and start. In just a couple of minutes, you can automate clicking and save yourself a lot of time and effort.